Two Russian servicemen are taking cover under a bridge, likely trying to avoid any aerial surveillance. One of them presses himself tightly against the concrete wall, as if hoping that stillness might grant him invisibility. Unfortunately for him, an FPV unit from Ukraine has already marked the location. The small drone quietly approaches, scanning for any remaining movement. Unarmed and exposed, the soldier tries to push the drone away with his foot. It's a desperate move, but one that seems more symbolic than effective. I've seen people living under bridges near where I grew up. Some even had makeshift tents, sleeping bags, and supplies. Oddly enough, they seemed better equipped for life under a bridge than what we see here on this battlefield. This scene takes place somewhere along the front lines, where the Hornet Wing of Dovbush's 68th Jaeger Brigade, part of Ukraine's unmanned systems force, is conducting follow-up reconnaissance. Moments later, the camera returns to the same underpass. One of the soldiers appears to be lying motionless, as if caught in a deep, unending slumber after the previous encounter. Strangely, there is a bright orange blanket visible in frame, a rare sight in combat zones. It's hard to say whether it was meant as a signal or simply a forgotten piece of warmth in a cold place. The FPV hovers briefly. The second serviceman remains still beneath the blanket. Whether he knows the drone is nearby is unclear, but he does not respond. Moments later, the drone completes its task and drifts away. I'm reminded of what Madyar, commander of Operation Spiderweb, once said. These bridges are like crayfish traps. Leave them alone for a few hours, come back, and you'll often find someone inside.